Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Supermicro 10 Gigabit Ethernet Adapter for Review 2026. Supermicro high-density server environments demand reliable, high-bandwidth networking solutions that can handle intensive workloads, virtualization, cloud computing, storage traffic, and enterprise applications. The Supermicro 10 Gigabit Ethernet Adapter for High-Density Server Systems AOC-CTG-I2T is specifically engineered to meet these requirements by delivering fast, stable, and efficient 10 GB connectivity for modern data centers and business infrastructures. Check the video description for the updated price link. As organizations continue to scale their server deployments in 2026, network performance has become just as critical as processor speed and memory capacity. The AOC-CTG-I2T adapter offers a practical upgrade path for businesses seeking to reduce network bottlenecks, improve data transfer speeds, and maximize server utilization. Built with enterprise-grade components and designed for seamless integration with Supermicro systems, this adapter is a compelling choice for IT administrators, system integrators, and enterprise users. Whether you're operating virtual machines, managing high-performance databases, handling backup operations, or supporting cloud-based workloads, the AOC-CTG-I2T provides the networking foundation needed for reliable operations. This review explores its features, advantages, performance capabilities, and overall value for enterprise networking environments. One of the most important features of the AOC-CTG-I2T is its dual-port 10 GBE design. This allows organizations to significantly increase available network bandwidth while providing flexibility for redundancy, failover, or link aggregation configurations. Dual-port connectivity is especially valuable in enterprise environments where continuous uptime and high-speed communication are essential. Administrators can configure multiple network paths to improve reliability and minimize downtime risks. The adapter is designed specifically for high-density server deployments. Modern rack servers frequently host multiple applications, virtual machines, and storage workloads simultaneously. The AOC-CTG-I2T helps ensure that network performance remains consistent even under demanding conditions. This makes it particularly useful in virtualization clusters, private cloud environments, and enterprise storage networks where network throughput directly affects application responsiveness. Supermicro is known for developing enterprise-focused hardware solutions. The AOC-CTG-I2T follows this tradition with a robust design intended for continuous operation in mission-critical environments. Data centers require hardware capable of running around the clock without performance degradation. This adapter is engineered to support those expectations while maintaining network stability and efficiency. The adapter supports advanced networking technologies that help reduce CPU overhead and improve overall server performance. These enhancements contribute to smoother operation under heavy network loads. By offloading certain networking tasks from the processor, servers can allocate more resources to applications and workloads, increasing operational efficiency. The AOC-CTG-I2T is compatible with a wide variety of operating systems commonly used in enterprise environments. This versatility allows organizations to deploy the adapter across different infrastructure platforms without significant compatibility concerns. Whether your environment includes Linux distributions, virtualization platforms, or enterprise operating systems, the adapter integrates smoothly into existing deployments. Performance is where the Supermicro AOC-CTG-I2T truly shines. Traditional Gigabit Ethernet solutions often become bottlenecks in modern enterprise environments. The transition to 10 Gigabit Ethernet dramatically improves network throughput, reducing latency and increasing responsiveness. Check the link in the description to get yours today.